Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to export Chrome bookmarks if you have saved some bookmarks in Google Chrome. So how you can export them in one single HTML file that you can browse or view through your browser. So you can see when we click on these three dots on top right side in the Google Chrome where we can customize and control Google Chrome. So here you can see bookmarks and bookmark manager. So right now you can see we don't have anything here because we have not saved any page. So here you can see I have opened my two websites. So one, this learneasycode.com. Bookmark, this tab we will click here, add bookmark, and done. And then my Urdu recipes, I will also add this one, add bookmark, and done. So now if we go here and bookmarks and bookmark manager, so you can see here that we have two bookmarks. So how we can export them in the bookmarks tab, you can see on the top right side here these three dots where you can see organize. So here you can see there are few options and one of them is export bookmarks. So if you click on export bookmarks, this will now ask you where you want to save the bookmarks file. So for example, desktop, and here you can see bookmarks, and this is HTML document. As I told you, this will be HTML file, so you can view in the browser. So if I minimize, you can see this tab is here. So if I double click, you can see this will open with Google Chrome. And here we can see now both of our links like learneasycode.com and myurdurecipes.com. So both are here. Both website you can see that we bookmarked in the bookmarks tab. Now we have exported them as a HTML file, and both links we can see in this file. So I hope you have learned that how to export the Chrome bookmarks. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you so much once again.